One of the most expensive things as a makeup artist or as an everyday woman that you will ever invest in is your brushes and your tools that you use. And basically today we're going to teach you how to take care of them.
Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Brady! I'm so excited
You're
because... Why? I'm sparkly?
I'm just distracted by your necklace.
You're sparkly too. You love to sparkle.
A little bit.
I like to say that you don't sparkle on the outside. You sparkle from the inside out because when you allow people to see your light, you can uplift others. Isn't that beautiful?
And I'm a unicorn, so I just, fart glitter.
That's why I love Brady.
It's already on the inside.
So good. So Brady, today we're talking about something that I really love because a lot of people probably don't know about this stuff and it could really help that beautiful makeup. So brushes.
Right. One of the most expensive things as a makeup artist or as an everyday woman that you will ever invest in is your brushes and your tools that you use. And basically today we're going to teach you how to take care of them. Most of my brushes I have had for at least 10 years.
I love that. So Brady, you know when you're going for like a black color and then you want to go for a light color? Well, you don't have to wash it underneath the tap. You can literally use this bad boy. What is it?
This is Cinema Secrets makeup brush. It's a quick drying formula, so I can literally put something on her eye and it's already dry and it's not gonna hurt her eyes.
I love that. So you spray and then
you take a magical towel. As a hairstylist, they're everywhere.
Magical towel.
Spray it directly on the towel.
Gotta have the magic in everything.
Seriously, a magical towel, magical brush, magical spray, everything's magical. And then when you drink enough, everything really is magical. My personality is magical.
You don't need drink to have that happen. You can literally wake up every day and decide that everything's magical, and it will be. Deciding.
Yeah, deciding. I'm gonna giggle like a drunk person all day today.
You be that. I love that. Yes. So then you can apply whatever makeup. So if you're going from a dark shade to a light shade, you can just spray that on, wipe like Brady just did, and boom, you can use the brush. I love that so much.
So this is like a brush that had a dark contour on it, and it's white. One of the hardest to clean, but also we have to talk about the power of cleansing. You should be cleansing your brushes at least once a week. Give them a good deep condition. Cinema Secrets makes an amazing brush. So
Brady just said give them a good condition, and we're probably thinking, what do you mean? So what is that?
just a good deep cleanse. Like I will literally take my brushes in my hand, soak up all of that soap, and just watch it suds in my hand. I will literally just rock it back and forth, watch all of the makeup, all of the foundation, everything. Because these are amazing and they're gonna clean and they're gonna sanitize, but they're not gonna condition. They're a quick drying agent, so there's probably alcohol in there to kind of strip. But foundation. How many of you have ever tried to get the foundation out of your brush after using it for like a week?
No.
It just, you get this beautiful soap and you just lather it in there and you just watch all of this foundation come out. And
so drying, do you air dry, put it in the sunshine?
Air dry. Just leave them out for 24 hours. They usually are dry within 24 hours and you have brand new brushes that smell amazing.
I love that. So that's how you clean your brushes, and that's how you go from a dark color to a light color in like a minute, like not even.
Now, from an esthetician point of view too, the more you clean your brushes, the less you're gonna have breakouts, the less you're gonna have zits, the less you're gonna have smelly, funky brushes.
I love that. Who wants smelly and funky brushes? Not me. So if you enjoyed that, tell us in the comments below. Maybe you have an idea for a video. So let us know. We'd love that.
If there's anything that you want to see, let us know.
Yes. What are we going to do on the next one?
It's the end of the night, so we're going to do a smoky eye. We've built the entire look. Like, let's just get into a good old smoky eye.
Love smoky eyes. And so if you want to be notified of that next video, the smoky eye video, then just hit the notification bell above so you get notified, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye!
Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Brady!
As an aesthetician, from